Look no further. Welcome to the Gardena Townhome Estates. Unit number 29 is a highly desirable unit due to its location within the community and best described as light and bright. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,651 square feet living with an attached extra-large 2-car garage. With its fabulous open floor plan beginning with the entry foyer, access to the kitchen and den family room with lots of cabinets and countertop space for serving guests and entertaining. Off the kitchen there is a formal dining room which is open to the formal living room with fireplace and also offers direct access to your private large sunlit patio. Upstairs are located the 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom is an extra large size with his and hers closets. The cathedral ceilings make these already sizable bedrooms feel even larger. The gated complex is well maintained and offers a number of amenities including pool, spa, outdoor shower at the pool area and bathroom changing areas. Great location close to everything.